Today we are going to be demoing this functionality where you can check on the changes that have been made to a security role. Previously, we have had a scenario whereby you make a change to a security role, or maybe one of you are in is part of a team, or maybe a security role, or changes were made to a security role, and you don't know now, it was not documented, and you're now not sure of what changes were made to a security role. So this you can utilize the audit trail and compare permissions functionality in D365 finance and operations to see the changes that were made to the role. So to do that, you navigate to system admin module, security, and under security go to security configuration. So on this screen, as you can see here, we have all the security roles that we have in the environment. And on the security roles, I have created this duplicate AR account and row. This is a duplicate of the out of the box account and row. So this is the row that we have. So if you check here on the audit trail of the row, these are the updates that were done to the row. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a change on the row, right? Let's say we are going to add a new duty to a row. We're just going to add the new duty with the same name as the of the row, and we also add a new privilege. We're going to use the create new and add reference button there. So now we're adding a new privilege, right? And then let's say here this is the accountant, right? We want to add maybe, let's say, access to the financial reporting workspace. Let's say financial reports, right, to the financial reports main. So let me put financial reports here. So maybe want the user to be able to update the financial reports there, right? The configurations of the financial reports. So this is the new menu that we have created here, and then we publish the changes. We publish all. So after all the changes have been made now, as you can see, the changes have been made. Now we can navigate back to the row. Now let's say after some time we don't know what changes were made on the row. We're not sure. And now we want to see what changes were made to the row. What we do is we select the row again under the same menu path, system administration, security configurations. We select our row and then we go to audit trail. So on the audit trail there, that's where we then navigate to the previous version of the raw before the change was made, right? So this was the previous version of the raw on the 18th of December, and now this is the current version of the raw as is now, and you click compare permissions here on the action pane. So if you see on the compare permissions here on the right side, what is written is right side there. On the right side, that's where we have the new version of the raw. See the time here, and then on the left side we have the previous version of the raw. So here you have the change types that are there. Say for example, you have unique, you have equal, and it will show you the side on which it is unique, and it will show you also the sides on which they are equal. Say for example, when it's equal for both sides, it means that these permissions are the same for both the previous version and the current version of the raw. And now when it's unique, it says that it means that it's different from, there's a difference between the current version and the previous version of the raw. So in this case here, we see that there's a unique here on the right side. Remember, the right side is the current version of the raw, and the left side is the previous version of the raw, the version of the raw before we made the changes. So now, as you can see, here is saying that it's unique here. So this is the unique permission on the raw. So you can clearly see that this is what is different between the current version and the previous version of the raw. So this is how we can see the change. So it means that this is the permission that we added to the raw. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.